Some mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play till I hear him say,
Okay, so we're on our way. We gotta head way up north to drop off this stuff for our YouTuber friends. It's gonna be fun. We haven't seen them for a little while. We keep in touch sometimes, but we're gonna head up there. We got some gifts, gotta fix the door. And it's gonna be great to see them again, but it's a long trip. So let's get on the road and get going, okay? We're low on gas. We're gonna head off to the gas station. When you get there, if you don't know what you're doing, just ask. Between the hours of probably 8 o'clock to about 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, there's usually a person there that will help you out, like help you push the buttons and stuff too. In Japan, the hospitality is just, I mean, they want to help you. They want to find out what you're talking about stuff. So I'd say just get some help. But you know, self-explanatory. You just put the cash in there. If you're using credit card, put the credit card in there, select it, pump it up. It's just same like any other place in the gas station in the world. They're pretty much the same, pretty similar. So we're gonna get some gas and then get on the road and head up there. Okay, guys, let's get going. I got a Christmas present for you guys. Ho, ho, ho.
Thank you, Santa.
Good enough? Were you good boys and girls?
Beautiful.
I'm always a good girl.
You lunatic.
Have I got Lucy? Do I get Lucy?
With time not on our side, we had to stop goofing around and get this door fixed. They got a limited time in Japan and they have to get off to Korea. So let's get going and fix this damn door.
Down to the metal.
It's rolling.
It rolls.
We designed this Vanslation t-shirt so we could communicate in Japan. So if I need a dentist, yes.
Hi, Jessa.
Yes. Ah, we found one.
We're off to a place that's kind of interesting. It's an event for women owners of businesses. I think it's a great support system. These artists, these business owners that are 100% women have created these companies and they're doing fantastic. They're promoting their goods. It's a whole event for that. We're off to there. These places, these items are selling are fantastic. And one of my friends, Louie B, she's a handmaking workshop up in Kiyosato. Definitely go there if you want to see it or try it out for a trial lesson.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2.
When you're here, definitely stop by, get one of the hamburgers. They're great.
Now we're off to Yamanashi Meijo Chokobai to meet Roy and Aimee. Go check out their channel on YouTube. It's very interesting. They have a lot of fun adventures to go on. We're gonna go view the sake brewery, which was founded in 1750. Walk around the grounds is kind of a mix of ancient traditions and then new methods of brewing and machinery. It was fun to get to taste all the types of sake.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation.
That's cool.
And across the street, a local sweet shop where we tasted something that was quite unique.
Is it like a bit sweet?
Oh, it's
Like
just
like molasses.
balls, doesn't it?
Like a Japanese type of glass.
It tastes like jelly. I would say it's the consistency of like slightly softer jelly from back home with like the molasses is sweet and the powder gives it It's a bit like dried, it's like ground nuts almost. It's that kind of texture. It's actually good. Yeah, it's good. It's not chewy like the mochi chewing gum you gave me last time at Mama's.
Can I have some of yours?
Well, we had to say goodnight to Roy and Aimee, and we actually headed off to a sushi place. Surprisingly, Chris and Marianne had not been to an official sushi shop. Our good friend, the dentist, knew a really great place in Kiyosato that we went and had sushi, and we really enjoyed the night. Let's go to the sushi shop and let's see. So here's the sushi master, and he's in here getting ready for the sushi. He's doing a roll right now, so he's getting everything prepped. But in Japan, you know, you can sit at the counter here and order each individual ones. You can see what they have here, and they'll make them and put them on the counter, and then you can eat it right there. And you can order individual if you want to. There's the menu up there if you can read it. But it's fantastic. You know, great way to eat sushi. Something is Compio. I've probably eaten it before, but I've never talked about it. The name is kind of strange. It says like butter burr in the translation of it. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna try it out. I think it's told it's kind of sweet, so let's try it. Yeah, it's sweet. Tastes really good. It's a good texture. Even with the soy sauce in it, the sweetness and the salt is fantastic. It's great. Give it a try. Okay, this is interesting. I don't think I've had this before. It's fukimiso. I don't know what the English translation is, but it's got a kind of a grass in it, and it tastes. I get a minty herb taste to it. What do you think of it? It's kind of a description, but it's a little bitter too.
It's very herby.
Yeah, it's very herby, and I like it. It really has this interesting taste. So I had some with soy sauce. I'm gonna have one without soy sauce just to see the difference of it. Let's try it out. I like that. I like that. It's different. It really is different. Try it. With our bellies full of sushi, great sushi, might I add, we had to say goodbye to the dentist and actually my wife and 2 dogs. Only Bobby came with me. And we stayed the night at Kabuchizawa Road Station, not too far from the dentist place. And we're going to head off now up to Hida. And not quite get there. We have a road station we're going to stop at because we got a lot of work to do. But on our way, I'm going to go to a cave with Bobby. I'll drop a link in the description below. It's a really cool cave. It's not massive by any extremes, but it was a fun time to go. So we went up there, we had a good time, a great onsen. So let's get on the road. This is a really windy road. It heads up through Nagano. You can see the path here through the maps. It's not a road for the faint of heart, that trust me, okay? So let's get on the road now and head up there and enjoy our time. Shopping, got some stuff. I think yakisoba he wants to make. I'm just gonna make a sandwich. That's what I like to do. It's easy. Let's get going. We're gonna go to an onsen, probably an outdoor one. We're gonna see if it's open first off. It's getting kind of dark, and everyone said it's kind of like it's sketchy because of where it's located and how it's not really separated too much from the women's stuff too. But we're gonna go there. I need to get clean a little bit. Okay, let's get going. I found this place called Koji no Yu. It's a donation for an onsen. We're here. I have not gone into it. There is some comments to say like it's not quite separated and stuff too. But hey,
It's like, I think you're supposed to put just money in the box or something like that. I haven't gone to it. We're gonna go to it and see. There's not many cars here, so obviously it's gonna be pretty empty. So let's get on and check out this out. I don't know if it's even gonna be any good. The reviews say you have to bring your soap, you have to bring stuff. It doesn't supply it. It's probably just an outdoor thing. So let's go check it out, okay? Bobby, here's some water. Use it. Water. Towels. Gotta have a towel. Let's go check it out. It's done. This is gonna park thing. 300 yen. Just put it in. So, let's go take a look what's going on here. This is the kanji for men. This is the kanji for women. I just like to think of it as, it looks like a woman crossing her legs and stuff too, okay? Let's go check it out. There's nobody in here so I can film. If anyone does come, I'll definitely put the camera away. But this is out of this world. Just look at that view. This is incredible. There was only one guy here, he left finally. But he said it's very hot, and ooh, it is very hot. It is very, very hot. So too. They don't have a washing place, unfortunately, so I just kind of washed on the side of it. If there's a lot of people there, they might frown upon that because it's not so sanitary, soap and stuff being in this water. So I did it about away. But you know, being Sunday, surprisingly, there's nobody here, and it's what, about 4 o'clock. So you know, they put the hose on here to cool down the water because I guess without it, it'd be really, really hot. But I'm just gonna relax and enjoy it. This is one of the perks, one of the best things I can think of. Anyways, let's go, just relax. That was good actually. The temperature was just right. Somewhere like 42, 43 degrees, which is exactly how I like it. Everyone up here was complaining it was too hot. And it looks like it's kind of the community thing that comes there. I was talking to one of the guys over in there, and he was talking about like every place around here is similar to like a donation type system. But you can see that it is not closed, it's open. You can just walk in there, same with the ladies' side. So be careful with that. If there's something that's not up your alley, then don't do it. But for me, I don't care. It's in the mountains, great time. Water was perfect. Again, there was no washing places, but I think the last person that just came in, what they did was they took a basket to the side and they washed there. So give it a shot. If you're not comfortable with it, don't do it, I'd say. Let's get on the road again. Well, heading back, I realized that Hida needs a lot more than just an end of a video. Hida's got so many more things to do there that it wouldn't be fair to shoot at the end clip. It needs a whole video itself. So heading back to the roadside station, this was the last time I was able to meet up with Chris and Marianne. We said our goodbyes. We did have dinner. That night was when they published one of their videos at 9 o'clock p.m. And so we were able to watch that, have a few beers, relax up. And then the next morning, very, very early, I headed back. It wasn't going to be worthwhile to tag along for only a few hours to get some short videos. But my memories of Chris and Marianne going through Japan with them is just priceless. I had a great time. It was so fantastic. Again, get out there, get in some ventures, and thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button, okay? Please, it helps me out a lot. See you guys in the next adventure, okay?
So, I got a Christmas present for you guys. Ho, ho, ho.
Thank you, Santa.
Good enough?